Hello student, today we are going to start class 3rd subject English chapter 7 magic vessels. Today we are going to start the question answer of magic vessels and bookwork. So open your textbook and open your page number 66. Question number 1. Whom did Tenali invite for the wedding feast? Now look the answer. Tenali invited the entire village for the wedding feast. Now question number 2. What upset Tenali a week before the wedding? Tenali was upset because they did not have large cooking vessels for the feast. Now question number 3. Why did Tenali give his neighbors a small vessels each? Now answer. Out of gratitude for the help they had given him by lending him vessels. Now question number 4. Question number 4. Why did the villagers lend Tenali silver vessels at his second daughter's wedding? Answer. The greedy villagers expected a larger gift in return for the vessels they had lent him. Question number 5. Why did the villagers go to the king? Answer. The villagers went to the king because Tenali had deliberately not returned their silver vessels after the wedding of his second daughter. Now, question number 6. Did the king give a judgment in favor of the villagers? Answer. No, he sided with Tenali. Now question number 7. Was Tenali able to teach the villagers a lesson? Yes, the Tenali was able to teach the villager a lesson. Next, write 2 qualities of the king. The king was shrewd and had a sense of humor. Now A2. Answer the following with the reference to the context. Let's fix a date soon after the harvest. Who said this and to whom? Tenali said this to his wife. What date was to be fixed? Their first daughter's wedding date was to be fixed. C. Why was it to be fixed after the harvest? The date was fixed after the harvest so that they had enough money to pay for it after they had called the harvest. Now second one. But we don't have large cooking vessels. What will we do? Who said this and to whom? Tenali's wife said this to Tenali. Now second. Why were large vessels required? Large vessels were required to cook food for the entire village. What idea did Tenali have? He decided to borrow the vessels from the neighbors. Now, third one. You thought you did make some money out of him. Who said this and to whom? The king said this to the villagers. Who is him referred to in the above line? Tenali Raman is referred to as him in his line. How would they had money out of him? They would have expected him to give them a small silver vessels along with the original one they had let him. So children, question number A1 and A2 you have to do in your copy. Okay, now come to book exercise. A1 we have done, A2 also we have done. Now B1. Okay, so write the ordinal number for each of these number. 4 4th, 80 18th, 23 23rd, 52 52nd, 71 71st, 99 99th, 31 31st. Now B2, arrange these numbers in the ascending order. The numbers I have written here and you have to arrange in ascending order. So 1st, 3rd, 11th, 30, 9th, 40, 4th, 60, 7th. It's your ascending order. Now turn your page. Imagine the result of your English test or out. Write the correct ordinal numbers. First, Madhya has scored the highest in the class. She is first. Now second, you have scored 1 mark less than her. You are second. Rahul, hold the rank after you. He is third. Sabina has scored half a mark less than Rao. She is fourth. Tony holds the rank after Sabina. He is fifth. Now, grammar 1. Fill in the blanks with the suitable adverbs of manner from the vessels. Now, here the vessel and the patients tossed in the bed dash restlessly. Second, the king shouted dash angrily. Third, it has been running dash heavily. Fourth, the mother put down the baby gently. Fifth, he got dash injured in an accident survivably. Okay, so we have done the book exercise also and the question answers also. So this question answers you have to do in your copy and book work you have to do in your textbook only. Before starting, first write the chapter name, then you have to write the new words. After new words you have to write the question answers. After question answers you have to write the answer the question with the this one, okay, who said to whom, in your copy. And you have to complete your work in neat and beautiful handwriting, and you have to learn your word meaning and question answers and book work also and your difficult words also. Thank you.